this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under documents used in international trade. So, we have about 18 to 20 video questions practice with the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the first question I have here says, in foreign trade, document of title is known as, the right answer is option A, bill of lading. Next question, it says, which of the following confirms the accuracy of the duty charge on imported goods? So, the right answer to this question is option B. Okay, consular invoice. Next question, this one, it says document issued to a port authority when goods are deposited is A. So the right answer to this question is option B, which is doc warrant. Okay, next question is this one, it says a documentary bill will normally be accompanied by real bill of lading, consular invoice, and insurance certificate. Clean bill, bill of lading, insurance certificate, consular invoice, FOB certificate, and bill of lading, sales invoice, bill of lading, and insurance certificate. Right answer is option D, which is sales invoice, bill of lading, and insurance certificate. Next question is one, it says the document which can be exchanged for a bill of lading is, so the right answer to this question is option D, met receipt. Next question is one, it says when a price is quoted at FOB, it means that the price includes all charges payable on shipping a consignment to the port destination, includes charges payable for loading goods onto the ship, excludes loading charges incurred in bringing the goods to ports of destination, excludes all necessary shipping charges payable for insurance. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, includes charges payable for loading goods onto the ship. Next question, this one, it says which of these is document used in international trade? So the right answer to this question is option A, invoice. Next question, it says the abbreviation CNF indicates that the production cost exclude the cost of carriage, cost of production include cost of carriage, cost of production includes delivering charges, selling prices include the cost of carriage. The right answer is option D. Okay, selling price includes the cost of carriage. Next question, it says the term free on board means that the price includes cost, insurance, and freight. Cost and freight only, cost and insurance only, freight and insurance only. Right answer is option A, cost, insurance, and freight. Okay, next question is one, it says document that gives an importer a free hand to obtain goods from any manufacturer is an open-ended. Okay, option A, the right answer. Next question, it says which of these is a document used in international trade? So is it invoice, option B. Next question, it says the document authorizing one to transact business outside the country is is an import license. Okay, option A. Next question, this one says factoring is a trade debt term used when the agent buys all the trade debts of the importers, nation, exporters, customer. Right answer is option C of the exporters. Next question, it says the comprehensive import supervision scheme was set up by the federal government in order to promote fair trade between Nigeria and other countries, counteract all fraudulent business deals of Nigeria with other nations, ensure that imports into Nigeria are of correct quality, value, and quality. So the right answer is option C. Okay, next question is one, it says document a seller uses in dispatching goods to a customer by a carrier is a bill of lading, an invoice, a delivery note, an advice note. So the right answer to this question is document a seller uses in dispatching goods to a customer by a carrier is, so the right answer to this question is option C, delivery notes. Okay, next question, this one, it says which of the following document permits an importer to inspect his goods before the arrival of the bill of lading? So the right answer to this question is option D, bill of site. The next question before I end this video, which is the last one, this one, it says a document which lists the charges for carrying the goods is, we have freight notes, indent, shipping note, consular invoice. The document which lists the charges for carrying the goods is, so the right answer to this question is option D, freight notes. So guys, this basically can deal with problems involving Documents used in international trade for your JAMB commerce. We practice with about 18 to 20 we practice with about 17 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on the video. Now, if you for what I learned from the video, if you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I will sure to give you a response. So ensure the part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, so you're getting people information and help you yourself in exams like your JAM and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the next button and we see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.